Here we have WIKO Harry, and let me show you how to set up default browser on the following device. So first of all, reach the settings, then locate and open apps. Okay, I cannot find it. Okay, so here they are. Just click on apps, tap on the settings icon and mark browser app. And here you can smoothly pick the browser that you would like to have as your default one. Actually, I have only one installed, so I just took it, and as you can see now, Chrome is your default browser. But obviously, if you have any other browser installed, you will be able to pick it as well. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.